Well, this is Chris back again with another video. I'm at the park with the boys, playing soccer over there, and I needed a break. But anyway, this is going to be kind of a random vlog. I got a couple unboxings, a couple flights with the Spark. I've been really flying the Spark a lot lately. I still use my other drones, but I really want to get to know the Spark as much as I can, and then I can make a pretty good comparison. In this video, I'm also going to be talking about what I do for a living, just a little glimpse, and how I pay for these things. And eventually, I would like to start another online business. I haven't made any videos in a little bit. First of all, I have 3 boys. It's springtime, and I've been working like crazy. So many of you have been wondering how I'm doing. What do I do for a living? How do I pay for most of the things that I have here?
My eyes, my nose, my mouth, my ears, my eyes, my nose, my mouth, my ears, my eyes, my nose, my mouth, my ears, we all clap our...
So this is my setup for now. I'm sitting on another chair that I have for clients that come into my little office. Well, it's, if you want to call it that. This is my living room. What makes it my office is that, let's say, a little panel or 6-panel wall that folds up, and that's basically my office. Okay, I have a 2-monitor setup. Okay, so obviously the big monitor is where I do most of my business. I have a backup computer, which is my Surface Pro 2, and then I have this monitor connected to that, right, with another webcam. This is my charging station for my phone and my clock. Earphones, right? Really cheap earphones from Philips, but they're good. Excuse the mess down here, but here's a capture device. It's some German name or whatever. And then I have my speaker system, which is Logitech, if I'm not mistaken. It does have a subwoofer, and I can connect it to the television. Another small business that I have is my 3D printer. I do need to clean it out. I haven't done any 3D printing for a while because of all the work that I've been doing online. Come on, give me a... Dude, that pisses me off. There's a smoke grenade. Once I got a backpack. Energy drink. Alright, did good on some tests. inside the circle. Because I can wait there, but then I'm always getting caught in the open. Alright, so I can find some junk. This lets me go up here. And up here. Ooh. There's no sight on that. Yeah, let's go in that other building over there. Is this open? Is that open for business? That would have been a great hiding spot. So, okay, so let's take a quick look at this thing. Do I need my pocket knife? Alright, so it says HD color, high speed. Let's see if we can read it this way. Read that. So here's a brief look on it. You can freeze the screen and kind of. So I have it connected in one of my USB slots, and obviously the light's on, and I'm using UCam 7. I haven't even installed the software because this did come with this software where you can actually make measurements and such with it, right? So I do have a CD burner, player, whatever, but it's external, and I could connect it, but I just want to see what I can do without connecting all that stuff.